Hi friend, welcome to YouTube channel WG News. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about KPS power struggle. Once again I say welcome back if you are new viewer and or viewer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest update and stay connected with me. And ongoing disputes Islamabad between Peshawar and Islamabad, our Lord standing in KP has fared up once again with the provincial government now demanding that power cuts not exceed 12 hours in any year areas. However, thought that PTT, PTI stands appear to be pro people. It also risks creating immediately in the fight against electricity thief and the party will soon release it should Rico, Rico Sanders its political on the matter. It is presents to nations her that paid which which power most parts of KP is among those dis- distractions campaigns that regularly report high thief and loss of likely with line losses culminating to as high as 60 PC on average on this its network. This means that PPC in customer on play only rupees 4 for every rupees 10 of likely that constant. The rest is picked up by other bill playing customs across the country. It as it is into the uniform in national traffic. Two in the payment of bills. Many electricity extraction companies have been imposing load standing in low recovery areas due to which even bill paying customer may surface hours of no electrically on field of their own. The same is true for those in KP who are deadfully paying their bills but still suffering because PSOC is unable to recover the money those other own. However, will Chief Minister Ali Amin to his provides likely criticism may injure him to his party supporter he seemed to be taking a custom appear to an issues that needs to be resolved impossibly instead of how keep breaking into electrically guide stations. Mr. Should his privately subjects to clear their due bills and use his that thief is minded. This seems to be the way of enclosing that honesty citizens do not continue to serve. To be fair, the KP government does seem to release where to the problem lies. Just last month is Wilfield government to the same matter. However, the summer has brought with it Amrian published for a quick relations of to the long-standing issues, which is it as tail order given the complete list of the electrically symbols. Mr. On materially that the dues on 2 kp by the certain should be used to offer the provides electrically established but will he is justified is seeking his proves fair share is unlikely that it will given the censure serving resource contours. Both Peshawar and Islamabad most their offer find a way out of miss. Till then, however, most not be allowed to. In fact, will the electoral guide. It seems dangerous and impossible and should not be concluded by the KP government. Once again, I say welcome back. If you are new viewer and non viewer, I hope you will be enjoy this video. If you did like this video, thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.